My name is Mirna Manzano.
Hi, I'm Taryn.
My name is Heather.
Hi, my name is Tyler.
My name is Brittany.
My name is Rich Schaefer. Been with Rockland since March of 2014. We have a team of 5 of us that work together.
I've been with Rockland since 1996, 29 years. I enter orders, I answer phone calls, I help with sending out information to dealers, helping them choose what application is going to work with which attachment.
So on a daily basis, we quote anywhere from 200 to 300 items. So within those quotes, it could be anywhere from standard products that we offer, or it could be specialty products where we have to special quote and really get in depth and work with engineering.
I'm Ben Hoover and I am product lead here at Rockland. I assist the inside sales group with questions for specs, different technical aspects there. I also assist the outside salespeople with their technical questions and provide them sketches of our products whenever they need them to present to the customer.
I am Scott Smith. I am the product manager and the marketing manager. I've been here nearly 21 years now. My day-to-day can vary pretty wildly. It sort of depends on whether I have my marketing hat on or my product management hat on. If I'm more on the product management side, it could be training our own people to make sure that they are able to educate their customers with the best products for their applications.
What's nice is, we do offer a wide range of products.
My favorite attachment? I actually like loader buckets.
I have always enjoyed the Corey products. Nothing makes you feel small like being in the bottom of a quarry with a machine about the size of a house. I think a lot of kids kind of grow up playing with their Tonka toys in the dirt. Some of us never grow out of it.
I love everything about it. I love interacting with the clients, to go and see the machine shops and see the welders. It's very interesting to see, and to see the hard work that goes within it. It's very important.
I enjoy interacting with dealers and taking calls, basically helping people out, finding the solutions to what they need.
Now I actually look at all the excavator stuff and see if they're using any Rockland attachments, and then when you do see a Rockland bucket or a Rockland thumb, you just a little bit of sense of pride there. It's like knowing that you might have had a hand in that.
Being that we're across the entire country, it's really cool to talk to different people from different states and learn about their area and what they like too. So it's exciting. It is fun to work here.